Hey, it's Nick Watson here. We're going to add another vehicle to our YouTube page. It's a 2013 Ford F-350, super low mileage unit. It's a single rear wheel wrap body. Go over here. This truck only has 35,000 miles on it. It's in really, really good shape. Just like every stake body we get, repaint the chassis, repaint the racks, replace the floor. The trucks are all fully serviced, ready to rock and roll. The truck comes with a tow package. Now, all our trucks are fully serviced at our Fleet Repair Center Truck South. Again, if you got any questions, call Johnny or I at 919-661-2886, or you can hit us up on our website at josephmotorsnc.com. We'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions, please give us a call. Have a great day.